Hi, and welcome back to part 5 of the high-grade Build Divers Break Gundam Shining Break Arts Mobile Suit 1/44 scale model kit. So yeah, like I said, kind of turning into somewhat of the AZ Gundam. Comes with a short beam saber, long beam saber, short beam handle, long beam handle type of thing. You've seen that you take the gun, you fold the handle up, take the shield, fold its handle up, flip out the wing bits, take this little handle and slide it into a little pad right there. I mean, you actually got to slide it on. So find it, line it up, and slide it, and there we go. Now I guess with your secondary one here, you could pretty much do the same thing. Just take that little handle, flip it up like that, and just kind of slide it in. And yeah, only difference is no little green sticker for the camera on the gun lens, and no little wing bits. But you can kind of have like, oh look, wings, and it's folded up. Now I don't think you can have both of them going at the same time. I don't know. You might be able to have where the Gundam can hold it with the shield, so at awkward, weird angle, it's holding the shield and the gun. So possibly it could hold two shields and two guns at once. Or you could have where it's holding one gun and one shield, two shields, two guns, this type of thing. But there's no way that it could hold two guns and two shields with the beam saber. The only way that you could possibly do it is have like perhaps the left arm / hand, where the left hand is, hold on to the handle while the shield is put into the left arm, and have stuff in this configuration where it's shield, gun, and the right hand's holding one to two beam sabers. This way you kind of pull off a close range, hey, I got a beam saber, kind of mid to long range gun, and if all things hit the fan, or the Gunpla, or Gundam, you got the shield there to kind of block and sweep. This is more like, not really, I don't know, it'd be kind of hard to use a shield to kind of block attacks. This shield would be more like for sweeping movement. Like just to bash, a shield bash. More than actual really try to cover your body in defense type of thing. Just the way how the shield's designed and it's bulky. Perhaps if they took off this white part, which I can't get off right now at the moment, and they could either split it into two shields. I would actually love to see it be split into two separate individual shields. Perhaps one big blue shield, which either has the gun combined on it, or just by itself, or just a single white shield, like this bit right here. That's something that, Bandai could kind of give you a hint, nudge, point, wink, kind of a step in the right direction that we want to go into. But other than that, yeah, so we take our two official accessories, which I guess you could kind of say sits, if you take off the two little beam sabers and just have the beam handles and stuff. So, yeah. And then they say take this, and we take this little tab that I don't know how good you can see on camera. Right there, this little tab that's right there, and that kind of notches right into the little slot on the backpack right there. And this, I think to just say, just line it up and push it down. Although it looks like there is a thing to tab in. Let's see, how do they want you to do this? They're just saying, just kind of drop it in. Kind of weird. Because it doesn't really want to drop in. There's like a big part hanging off.